Hi everyone, this is Dyson. Welcome back. And finally we have Houdini 21. And in this series, the first look on Houdini 21, we're gonna look at in Solaris Karma, and we're gonna look at in npm solver, and COPS, Pyro, diffusion, and flow solver, of course. And we're gonna look at Opres, Pyro using ML. And we're gonna look at npm solver in this series I will record for you guys. So stay tuned for that and stay subscribed and hit the bell to get notified about this new series. So without further ado, the first one is about Solaris and Karma. The first thing we have in Solaris is Vulkan. As you can see, I prepared this scene and we have this view. And if I create a point light, as you can see, this is the first look, of course. This is the whole Vulkan. As you can see, we have some specular and shadow. And if I hit D, and as you can see, I can see any render setting in here, but this is the whole Vulkan. This is a quick view. Another thing is OpenSurfacePBR. This is a new shader. As you can see, I have this simple model, and we can have it here, and we can create a material library here, and we can go in that, and in here let me assign that, and we can create material builder. This is material X structure, and instead of material standard surface, now we have OpenPBR surface. This is a new standard shader, and as you can see, this is amazing. Has a base color, specular, and subsurface scattering, fuzz, and and we have code in here, as you can see. So this is a very simple shader, and they have a cool documentation about this. And as you can see, you can read that, and this is, as they say, it's modern physical base shading model. So the next one, it's Whitewater shader. As you can see, we have this simulation using flip in SOP level, and we added some Whitewater effect to it, and we talk about that a lot in this channel. For example, you can watch this video, and as you can see, we have this fog volume by density, and we can render that easily now in Houdini 21 using this amazing Whitewater shader. So I assign the density field to it, and let's create Karma material builder, and we have this amazing Karma Whitewater shader. And as you can see, if I connect it here, and boom, as you can see, nothing happened. This is a very challenging shader, as you can see, but we have some compact version of it. Let me show you here. It's called Karma Whitewater material, and as you can see, the guys in SideFX set up all this necessary node to have an amazing foggy or whitewater look to this simulation, as you can see. And you can of course change this parameter to have an amazing result. So this is very cool and amazing shader. So the next one is fur, dirt, and wetness. So we have this Hergen here, and as you can see, this is with XPU. And by the way, it's so fast in XPU, to be honest. And now let's create Karma material builder, and as you can see, we have Karma fur, and this is new shader, and we can connect it in here. And as you can see, this is so sexy, to be honest. And this is very different with this Karma hair shader. And as you can see, we have this amazing parameter we had in Karma hair, but we have this amazing dirt and wetness. And as you can see, we can have wet effect to this shader, as you can see. And this is very cool. We can drive that based on a different map, of course. The next one, it's live render. This is a cool and amazing feature I was seeking for a long time. So we have new live render lab, and you can of course specify your setting, and you can have start render, and now the render is live, of course, but you need to bring the gallery render or render gallery, and you can access it in here from Solaris. And as you can see, this is our render. It's live. You can now jump between sub context and lob context, and you can create or modify your scene, and you can see the changes in live mode in render gallery. You see that? So as you can see, this is very handy, and that was so headache before. You need to stay in lob context or pin the lob render view, and you can modify any geometry. But now you can freely go and add anything you need, and you can see the result here. So that's it, and we're gonna see the next one very soon. And stay subscribed and hit the bell button to get notified. So with that, have a good day and see you in the next one. Goodbye.